In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the bitrate on OBS Studio step by step. Whether you're streaming to YouTube, Twitch, or recording high-quality videos for upload, adjusting your bitrate properly can dramatically improve your video quality and stream stability. I'll walk you through both the simple and advanced output modes, so you can choose the option that works best for you. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more OBS and content creation guides. Now, let's jump right in. First, open OBS Studio on your computer. Once OBS is open, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen and click on Settings. You can also access this by clicking File in the top left corner and then selecting Settings from the drop-down menu. Either way will take you to the main configuration panel where all of your streaming and recording options are located. Inside the Settings window, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on the Output tab. This is where OBS controls your streaming bitrate, recording bitrate, encoder settings, and overall output quality. At the very top of the output section, you'll see something called Output Mode. By default, this is usually set to Simple. If you want a quick and easy way to change your bitrate, keep it set to Simple. In Simple Mode, you'll see a streaming section with a field labeled Video Bitrate. This is where you can type in your desired bitrate value. For example, if you're streaming to YouTube at 1080p 60 frames per second, a common bitrate is 6000 kbps. Simply click inside the box, enter your new value, and that's it for streaming in Simple Mode. If you also record videos using OBS and want different quality settings for recordings, look just below the streaming section for the recording options. In Simple Mode, recording quality is usually controlled by a preset dropdown like High Quality or Indistinguishable Quality. If you want more precise control over recording bitrate specifically, you'll need to switch to Advanced Mode. To do that, go back to the top of the Output tab and change Output Mode from Simple to Advanced. Once you switch to Advanced, you'll notice multiple tabs appear, including Streaming and Recording. Click on the Streaming tab under Advanced Mode. Here, you'll see a bitrate field where you can manually enter the exact bitrate you want to use for your live streams. Again, for 1080p 60 frames per second, 6000 kbps is common for YouTube, while Twitch may have different limits depending on your account. Make sure you stay within your platform's recommended bitrate and also consider your internet upload speed. A good rule is to keep your bitrate well below your maximum upload speed to avoid dropped frames. Next, if you want to adjust your recording bitrate separately, click on the Recording tab. In Advanced Mode, you can change the rate control option to CBR if you want a constant bitrate, and then manually enter your desired bitrate value. Higher bitrates mean better quality, but they also create larger file sizes, so find a balance that works for your storage and editing workflow. Once you've entered your new bitrate settings for streaming, recording, or both, click Apply in the bottom right corner. Then click OK to close the settings window. Your new bitrate is now active and ready to use. And that's how you change the bitrate in OBS Studio. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a huge difference in your stream quality and recording performance. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more OBS Studio tutorials, streaming tips, and step-by-step tech packs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.